Hello parents, this is Miss Austin again, and I wanted to show you an alternative for completing the math work for today. So today students were required to complete the lesson book pages for unit 1.1. So they had math book pages in their folder they could complete, but because that's several pages that students would have to take pictures and submit on Schoology, I'm going to give an alternative to how students can do it on the computer. So, one way students can complete lesson 1.1 on the computer is to go through their Clever account. So I'm going to go into a student account right now. So when they log into Clever, just like they would for Schoology, they would click on the EasyBridge Pearson app. So click on that. Sometimes it might make you sign into your Google account again. That's okay. Then you're going to go over here to what says Savvis Realize. Click on that. It'll show you your hello name if you used this last year. And if not, it's probably going to make you pick an avatar, and then it'll show you this. My Work or Explore. Here in Explore is where they can look and practice some math games and skills. But to complete the worksheets on the computer, you would click My Work. Then it would show lesson 1.1, Get Started. And you would complete it there. So, if you would rather your child complete the math problems on the computer instead of finishing all the workbook pages, then taking a picture and submitting it on Schoology, that's fine. If you'd rather them do the workbook pages, that's fine. But if you pick the workbook, make sure to send me a picture on Schoology. The great thing about doing the questions on the computer is it will read it to you. So like for example, 6 plus 5 is 11. And if I switch the order of the addends, 5 plus 6 equals 11. Then you would just go next. You would do the same thing here. This one says choose all the equations that matches the story. So sometimes it might have two answers. How to count on to find 8 plus 4. All right. And this is an inactive student account, so I'm not doing the student's work for her. I'm just showing you an example of how to do it, and then what do you do to submit it. It'll show you this to show that all the questions are answered, and if it's not answered, it'll say not answered, then you would go to view question to do it again. Then you have to scroll down here to submit test, and it'll show the answer. So going to Clever is one way you can get to Pearson. There's also another. You can also go into Schoology. So I'm going to go into this student's account in Schoology. Go to emoji. You can also get into Pearson Math through the side right there where it says Pearson Math. Move that over right there. Then you would just log in with your Google account like you would. Because I'm already logged in, it won't show, but it would work if that's the only way you log in. All right, so that's one thing you can do. So it will show me on the computer when they have completed lesson 1.1. So going back to what students have to do today. So with math lesson 1.1, they can either complete the workbook pages in their folder, or if they don't have their folder, or you don't want to take all the pictures and submit it. Because I see I only have one submitted, and I understand that might be a pain just submitting pictures of all those workbook pages. Students can go into their Pearson Math account through Clever, and do it on the computer instead. I hope this helps. I look forward to seeing everybody complete lesson 1.1. Bye.